Hello everybody. I am going to show you the Discovery Kids Robotron X robot. This is a toy robot that you can assemble yourself using screws, and you can control it using this device. Looks like an old-fashioned cellular phone. It says Discovery Kids on the front lid, and you can hold down the right button to make the robot walk. It's recommended that you put the robot on a flat surface so that he will not fall, and then he will walk forward slowly. He has small rollers in his feet to enable him to move easily. Now, he can only walk forward. He cannot walk backwards. He can also talk. Not in English, though, or any human language, but he can talk in robot language. And his eyes are two bright red LEDs that light up when he communicates. I got this toy back on Christmas of 2007, and it is very simple, but what's interesting is that you can easily see the parts, see the moving parts through the robot's transparent body. So, if I was to place him on his side, let's say, and hold down the walk button, you can see some of the moving parts, like the gears that enable him to move his limbs. So this is very simple, and this toy takes 3 AA batteries. Now, I don't know if they make this toy still, but probably not anymore. I would suspect that they do not. But thank you very much for taking the time to watch.